Some of the world's favorite foods were never planned. They happened by accident. Today, we'll uncover 3 delicious mistakes that changed culinary history forever. Potato chips. New York, 1853. In a fancy resort in Saratoga Springs, there was a man named George Crumb, a chef famous for his cooking and his temper. One day, a picky customer kept sending back his fried potatoes, complaining they were too thick, too soft, not crunchy enough. George had enough. Out of pure spite, he sliced the potatoes as thin as paper, fried them until they were golden and crispy, and smothered them in salt. He served them, expecting the customer to hate it. But instead, the man loved them. Other guests demanded the same dish. That day, George accidentally invented what we now call potato chips. And the world's obsession with crunchy snacks was born. Popsicle. California, 1905. It was winter. 11-year-old Frank Epperson was mixing powdered soda with water, a cheap homemade soft drink. He left the cup outside overnight and completely forgot about it. When morning came, the drink had frozen solid, with the stirring stick trapped inside. Frank took a bite, and it was delicious. Years later, he patented the frozen treat as the Epsicle, a mix of his name and icicle. But his kids kept calling it Popsicle, Dad's Ice Pop. The name stuck. Today, over 2 billion popsicles are sold every year, all because a boy forgot his drink on a cold night. Worcestershire Sauce. England, 1837. 2 chemists, John Lee and William Perrins, were asked to recreate an Indian sauce for a nobleman who missed the taste from his travels. They tried, and failed. The result tasted awful. So bad that they dumped the barrel in the cellar and forgot about it for 2 whole years. When they finally checked it again, the sauce had fermented. The flavor transformed into something rich, complex, and delicious. They bottled it, sold it, and it became known as Worcestershire Sauce, a staple of kitchens worldwide. Potato chips, popsicles, Worcestershire sauce, 3 accidents that became legends. Sometimes the best things in life aren't planned. So next time you make a mistake in the kitchen, who knows? You might be creating the next big thing.